Okay, so next we are going to see work done by tension. So what is work done by tension? So we can see different examples. So it depends upon the direction, in which direction tension is acting and in which direction the displacement is there. So we will take different examples. So suppose we have an object hanged from an wire and the object is getting lowered. Okay, so if it is getting lowered, means the tension is up and displacement is down. So the work done will be negative. Tension is up, displacement is down. Okay, so this is case A. Tension up, displacement. The object is getting lowered. So work done is negative. Okay, why? Because tension and displacement are opposite. Or better we can write. Cos 180. Cos 180 means opposite direction. Okay, tension upward, displacement downward. So minus TS. Okay, so negative. Similarly, second example, we can see if object is being raised or it is being lifted. So it is going up. So the work done will be positive by tension because you are applying force upward and displacement is also upward. Okay. Then we also have cases in which the work done by tension is zero. So if you have a pendulum and if pendulum is oscillating like this, okay, so you can see here that displacement is like this and tension is in this direction. So tension and displacement, they are perpendicular to each other. Tension and displacement are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so this, if these two are perpendicular, if tension and displacement are perpendicular, then the work will be zero. Okay, so in case of pendulum, the tension by the work by the tension is zero. Okay, so for oscillating pendulum, the work is zero. Okay, so you can have all the three kind of work for the tension. Means you can have positive work, negative work, and the zero work. One more example we can take. Suppose we have a horizontal surface and an object is kept on it and it is getting dragged with the help of some string. Okay, so tension is there. So in this case, again, the work done will be positive because you have some component of T along the displacement. So since theta is less than 90, the work is Ts cos theta and that is positive. Okay, so tension work is positive in this case.